Hey all, welcome back. This is going to be a walkthrough of the Fawn lab on the Hack the Box virtual playgrounds. Again, if you're not connected with a VPN or you haven't started your first instance, go back and watch the first video in this playlist. That'll set you up with how to do it. But if you're just looking through a wee walkthrough and a guide of how to do the Fawn lab, then this is the video for you. So let's jump into it. So, no messing around, we've got our Fawn box spawned, we've got our IP address of the Fawn machine, and we're already connected to the virtual private network. Task 1. What does the three-letter acronym FTP stand for? So it stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's basically that client-server model of getting a file off a shared network drive or a server within your enterprise architecture that is dedicated for hosting files. So what communication model does the FTP use, architecturally speaking? So again, it's about that client-server model. So the answer is, funnily enough, client-server model, not modal. There we go. What is the name of one popular GUI FTP program? This is one of the questions where if you know it, you know it. If you don't, you don't. And I think it's Hack the Box's way of getting you in the mindset of Googling things. One of the biggest tools you're going to have as a penetration tester is to Google things. So we'll Google popular GUI FTP program, and you might be forgiven for thinking it's any one of these. The answer is actually FileZilla. Again, if you know, you know. If you didn't, you didn't. But now you know. So we'll hit submit answer. What port is the FTP service active on usually? So we'll do a quick nmap scan as we did in the Meow one, except from this time we're going to add a few tags to the, flags to the nmap tool. So we take this, and then we take our, can't type together, sorry guys. We take our target IP address and we paste it in, and hopefully it's not going to take too long. There we go, that was really quick. So we can see that it's on port 21 TCP, the service is FTP, we've got the version number here, and we're looking for the port, so it's port 21 TCP, so port 21 TCP, and hopefully that is the answer. There we go. What acronym is used for the secure version of FTP? So much like HTTP, the secure version, you just add an S, so it's SFTP. What is the command we can use to test our connection to the target? Now we already know this from the Meow lab, but it is ping. Now I'm not going to bother doing a ping because if we just ran our nmap scan, that wouldn't have worked if we didn't have an active connection, so we know that ping is going to work. From our scans, what version is FTP running on the target? So we can see, as we said earlier, that it's 21 TCP service FTP, and it's running VSFTPD version 3.0.3. So I'm actually, because I'm lazy, just going to copy that right in here. There we go. From our scans, what OS type is running on the target? Now, at first glance, you might be like, I can't see the OS type. It's actually right down here, service info. And we've got the OS, it's a Unix machine. So now we need to submit the root flag. So like last time, we might be like, okay, well, we can telnet in and then maybe do an ls and try and find it on the root directory. But this machine is all about FTP. So we want to do the FTP service. So FTP, and we will get our IP address again because it's no longer in our clipboard. Come back down and we'll paste. And then we'll get connected to that box using FTP. Now, what's the password? So you'll see that it says here when we did our nmap scan, anonymous FTP login allowed. So let's just take that username, anonymous, paste it in, and fingers crossed, password, we'll just leave that blank. There we go, we're in. So we do ls, and we can see that we have read, write, read, and read. So don't need to bother about that. We can see that we do have the permission to download and get this flag document. So if we do get flag text, there we go, and it should have downloaded to our desktop because that's where we were currently working on when we connected to the machine using FTP. So we can exit out of this session. We can do an ls, we can see we've got our flag.txt file, so if we just cat that, and with any luck, that will be the flag that it's after. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one for the dancing lab. I'm sorry about the end there. If you could hear my stomach growl, I think it must be lunchtime. I hope the mic didn't pick that up.